Hi guys, how are y'all doing today? I hope y'all are doing super fantastic on this Mother's Day. And if you are a mother, happy Mother's Day. So I wanted to show y'all some Mickey Mouse die cuts. These are made with 65 pound cardstock. Sorry. And they're put together with glue. I cut them out with my Cricut machine, and then of course I just glued the pieces all together. These are 2.5 inch. I can make them all the way up until 11 inch, or really small, which makes it more tedious to put them together. But you can find these in my Etsy shop. You can also find the SVG file in my Etsy shop, and my Etsy shop name is Gabby Hope Designs on Etsy. You'll find everything from SVGs to die cuts to unicorn backdrops to everything that you could possibly think of. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.